Good morning, happy homeowners. Oh man, Monday morning time change over in the city of Orange. One of the oldest homes in the city of Orange. I think it's like 1868 this thing was built. But 15 years ago, Matt bought the property, just did a lot of work. I mean, just renovated this thing. Let me turn it around and I'll show you what we did. But today we're just doing a real light. Unfortunately, he's getting ready to sell it. Someone's gonna be lucky, but we took all the wood out of 2 bedrooms upstairs 15 years ago, did a bunch of repairs downstairs so that you couldn't see the difference between the new wood and old wood. You've seen some of the other videos, and it still looks great, but I'm gonna turn it around and kind of show you what we got going on. It's beautiful, man. Back in the day, there's nothing between here and downtown Orange. The barn with the horses and just a great property. Dante! Hey, so we came over this weekend and filled in some gaps and cracks so that it would dry over the weekend. Down here's where we did all the repairs many years ago. We're gonna be sanding all these off, restaining them, getting them ready. But really, the floor still looks good. Everything. Actually, when we were taking the floor out of the bedroom upstairs to do the repairs, we freaking stepped through that ceiling and had to fix it. Whew. Little D, get him on in. It's a cool house, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take you upstairs. He's up here doing the light sanding now. Some more areas we gotta stain. Ooh. Yeah. Real fine sandy, cleaning everything up. Cool ceilings. It's going on the market. Get over here. Get over here. So you can see, like, man, this hallway years ago, it was like probably 3 layers of linoleum, some black paper. Man, we peeled it up and scraped it up, and we saved the floor. I mean, look at that. And this 15 years ago. So now you can see the difference. See this? Versus the new Douglas fir that we had to, remember, this is where we were pulling it up, and there's nothing in here but like just beams. Guy stepped right through the freaking ceiling. What a killing. But and then the master bedroom. Yeah, did a lot of work to bring this thing up to what it is. If you can imagine, 1860, 1880, there would have been nothing. This is probably a big ranch house, and there would have been nothing between here and the downtown city of Orange, the circle. Look it up, Google it. Google it. All right, guys, turn this off. I don't know if we're going to do another video of this or not. It'll be wet. If we can, I will, but it's going to be beautiful. All right, enjoy the day.